Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. Prepare for an exhilarating adventure to master English in the serene countryside of Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. This video series, presented in English, offers 3 comprehensive sessions to hone your pronunciation skills. In the tranquil town of Gander, with a population of approximately 11,000, you'll immerse yourself in a supportive learning environment. Newfoundland and Labrador's economy thrives on fishing, mining, and tourism. Achieving fluency relies solely on your practice and repetition. While you may face challenges, persistent effort will make your journey smoother and lead to language mastery. Remember, practice makes perfect. Overcome difficulties with consistent effort. Embrace the journey to fluency.
Welcome to Canada Smart Mind, the premier Canadian school dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Whether you are looking to further your education, improve your skills, or advance your career, we are here to support you every step of the way.
Text menu. 1. Introduction. 2. Importance of learning English. 3. Understanding English grammar. 4. Learning about adjectives. 5. 10 examples of adjectives. 6. The humorous and ironic side of learning. 7. The sorrowful yet motivational journey. 8. I's impact on economic activities. 9. Enhancements in human life through I. 10. Template text example. 11. Conclusion and call to action. Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on learning English grammar, specifically focusing on adjectives. This section will take you on a journey filled with humor, irony, and deeply motivational words, all aimed at guiding you to mastering English while considering the broader impacts of I on our world. Let's dive in. Importance of learning English. English is a global lingua franca. Mastering it can open doors to countless opportunities, from career advancement to enjoying international media without subtitles. But beyond the practical benefits, learning English connects you to a vast array of cultures and ideas. Understanding English grammar. Grammar is the backbone of any language. To communicate effectively, understanding grammar rules is essential. Let's focus on one crucial element: adjectives. Learning about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They provide more information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Understanding adjectives is vital for enriching your English vocabulary and making your communication more precise and interesting. 10 examples of adjectives. Step-by-step guide. 1. Beautiful. She wore a beautiful dress. Explanation. Beautiful describes the noun dress. 2. Ancient. The ancient castle stood tall. Explanation. Ancient describes the noun castle. 3. Bright. The bright light hurt my eyes. Explanation. Bright describes the noun light. 4. Heavy. He lifted a heavy box with ease. Explanation. Heavy describes the noun box. 5. Famous. She met a famous actor. Explanation. Famous describes the noun actor. 6. Delicious. The delicious cake was a hit. Explanation. Delicious describes the noun cake. 7. Fragile. Handle the fragile vase with care. Explanation. Fragile describes the noun vase. 8. Boring. The movie was boring. Explanation. Boring describes the noun movie. 9. Rapid. The rapid river was dangerous. Explanation. Rapid describes the noun river. 10. Massive. The massive elephant walked slowly. Explanation. Massive describes the noun elephant. The humorous and ironic side of learning. Learning English can sometimes feel like a comedy show. Picture this: trying to pronounce "going through" correctly. Ironically, it's the mistakes that make the journey memorable and fun. Embrace the absurdities and laugh along the way. The sorrowful yet motivational journey. At times, learning a new language can feel like navigating a dark forest. You might feel lost or overwhelmed. But remember, every step you take brings you closer to mastering the language. Use the sorrow of struggle as fuel for your motivation. Imagine standing on the other side, fluent and confident. I's impact on economic activities. I is transforming our world in profound ways. Food production. I enhances crop yields through precision farming, ensuring we have enough food to feed the growing population. Example: drones monitor fields and provide real-time data on crop health. Energy production. I optimizes energy use and integrates renewable energy sources, making our power grids more efficient and sustainable. Example, smart grids that adjust energy distribution based on demand. Water harvesting. I helps in efficient water management, ensuring this vital resource is used sustainably. Example, I systems that predict droughts and manage irrigation systems accordingly. Enhancements in human life through I is also enhancing human life in remarkable ways. Disease treatment. I aids in early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans, significantly improving healthcare outcomes. Example, I algorithms that detect cancer in its early stages. Aging. I supports the elderly with assistive technologies, making their lives more comfortable and independent. Example, smart home systems that help seniors with daily tasks. Template text example. Imagine a world where learning English feels like a delightful adventure, filled with laughter, tears, and triumphs. This guide not only teaches you the language but also prepares you for a future where AI plays a pivotal role in our daily lives. From enhancing our food production to revolutionizing healthcare, AI is the future, and mastering English is your ticket to being part of it. Embrace the journey with all its ups and downs, and you'll come out stronger, smarter, and more connected to the world. Conclusion and call to action. Should any questions arise, we encourage you to reach out via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, please share this video with them. Thank you for joining us at Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll master English in no time. Remember, achieving fluency in English depends on your consistent practice and repetition. Though you may face difficulties independently, constant practice will ease your way to mastering your ability.
Tell us in the comments below which topics you feel are better for you. And remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe yourself. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's go to an exercise. Exercise, understanding adverbs. Question, identify the adverbs in the following sentences and state which verbs they modify. 1. She quickly finished her homework. 2. He often visits his grandparents. 3. The cat slept peacefully on the couch. 4. They will arrive tomorrow. 5. She spoke very softly during the meeting. Answer template. 1. Quickly modifies finished. 2. Often modifies visits. 3. Peacefully modifies sleep. 4. Tomorrow modifies arrive. 5. Very softly modifies spoke. Our sponsor helps you with a daily course in English and French, and job searching, which is very cheap. It is 20 cents per day and very flexible for the person's lifestyle. Write your comments to make the next videos better to cope with the viewers' demands, and give a like and subscribe to increase the importance of the video and show the next videos to the viewer and more people. The links to our sponsor website are in the description below. They can find the links to the Canada Smart Mind School below the video. Advised to not wait for a miracle, and to do the work themselves.
I thank all the support of Canada Smart Mind and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you at the next one.